Hey guys, so today we are going to be looking at my FabFitFun Winter Box. I haven't gone through a lot of this stuff. I looked at it just to kind of see what was in there, but we're going to look at it for the first time together. Alright, of course there is the $60 gift card for HelloFresh, which I've told Daniel that we need to try. If you have tried HelloFresh, let me know down in the comments below. So, the magazine, which has, what's her name? Brooke Burke on the front. She's always fun. I know that she used to host Dancing with the Stars, and I love Dancing with the Stars. So, let's get into it. The first thing I see is the Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. I need help. Help. Okay. I think I got it. Oh my gosh. That was rough. Alright. So, let's see. This is retailed $36 and it says create endless looks with this 9-well eyeshadow palette. It has 4 velvety matte shades, 5 shimmer shades, and they complement any eye color and skin tone. Alright, so this has a mirror in it and everything. There you are. There you are. Say hello. So this does look very nice. Ooh, it smells like, kind of smells like chocolate, to tell you the truth. Kind of like my Tarte palettes. And they're swatching pretty good. We'll have to do a look with this and see what it looks like. Alright, so again, this was $34 retail. Next is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. So you already know I love Ahava products. I didn't get the hydrating cream mask when I was in Israel, but this retails for $33. And it says, enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E, this rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. So I remember seeing this in the Ahava store when we were in Israel, and it looked good. And I think it was more expensive than this. Oh. Oh, it didn't really have a smell to it. So, we'll have to try this out and see how it goes. Next is the Thrive Cosmetics Highlighting Stick. Where's this at? There it is. Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. Infused with the macadamia and meadow foam oil, this silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. How do you use this thing? Apply to brow bone, lids, waterline, plus corner of your eyes. And it is equipped with a built-in sharpener. What? It does have a sharpener. Ah. And then that's the sharpener. Ah. Oh, cool. So it's kind of like an inner corner highlight. That's interesting. I'm going to use this. Thank you, Thrive Cosmetics. The Bite Beauty Amuse Lipstick in Meringue and something. A high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. That's what it looks like. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, that's a pretty rose shade. I'm gonna use this. So this originally is $26 retail, and that is what the packaging looks like. fun. Yes. Get it with the beauty products this month. Alright, so next is the... Alright, and I've actually already gotten these in another FabFitFun box. I think I got it as like an extra block eye mask with hyaluronic acid in it, and it is originally $29. So these actually, they feel really good on your skin. They're made out of these black, like they're these black eye masks, and I'm not gonna take it out because they have all the serum and stuff in the package and it gets everywhere. But it's this black eye mask that go underneath your eyes, and it really helps brighten your under eyes, and it wakes you up because these suckers are cold. They are cold. And I'm excited to have some more of these. That makes me happy. Again, $29 retail. Next, the Anthropologie X Merci & Co. Sea Whip Body Cream in Coconut Sugar. Wow, that's a mouthful. It is originally $24. I don't know if you can see. Ooh, look at the colors. So it's originally $24, and it says revive dry skin with this natural all body cream that is enriched with sea whip extract, sea salt, and dead sea salt to protect, nourish, and hydrate the skin. So the tip is to, after showering and toweling off, apply the body cream all over your body to retain moisture. Oh, it smells like the beach. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna be using this, you best believe. I love stuff that smells like the beach. It makes me happy. This is the Bare Paw Combo Set Headband and Pop Top Glove Duo. Ooh, okay. So this is originally $45, and it says slip into the ultra soft 100% polyester, the 100% polyester Sherpa lined headband and fingerless gloves to beat up the winter chill all seasons long. Oh, cute. Let's see. Yes. All right. Let's see. Oh, I got this stuff all over me. Yeah. I'm digging this. I kind of look like the guy from Home Alone. We just finished watching Home Alone 2, and I feel like Bernie, and that's his name? The weird one with the bald hair. All right, moving on. These do feel really good, I'm not gonna lie. And I will definitely be wearing this out, because it actually didn't, I was worried that it was gonna make my hair go all crazy and frizzy, but it didn't. So that's great. Yeah. Next, I think I have two more things. This is the Orbi Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Ooh, I have heard good things about Orbi. Where's the thing at? There it is. So this is retail for $44. It is so easy to achieve lust-worthy locks. Use this sulfate-free dry shampoo to absorb product buildup, oil, and impurities while soothing the scalp and restoring strength and softness. Ooh. Okay, so that's what this looks like. Let's see. Let's do this thing. Ready? Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Yes. I approve. This stuff's awesome. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I'm like grasping at hair. Let me smell it. Okay, this is worth the whole entire box. This is awesome. Awesome. Next, the last thing. What's the last thing? Yes, the last thing, and I saved it for last for a reason, because I love blankets. This is the Mark & Graham Color Block Throw in gray. I don't know if I got gray. Yes, I did get gray. Cozy up with this woven throw, which features a striped design and a cool fringe detail. And this retails for $49. Oh, look at that. Okay. Do y'all, do you see this? See the stripe? This is awesome. So, let me get all my junk on, yeah. All right, so that is everything that was in my FabFitFun winter box. This box was awesome. I love getting like these fun little things that I've never really heard of before, and things that I have heard of that I've always wanted to try, but they were too expensive for me to buy. Very awesome. I am excited to use. I'm excited to use all this. So, if you would like to get yourself a FabFitFun box, go check out my link down below. You'll help me out a little bit. And I have gotten a FabFitFun box for every season this year, and I do not regret it at all. Even if I was not an affiliate, I would be getting me a FabFitFun box every single season because they're just so great. And I truly and honestly do use the products that I get. These two brushes, actually more than these two brushes, I use brushes that I got out of my box last month every day because they are just so good. Yes, and members of FabFitFun get to have fun sales and get to have add-ons and stuff like that, to where you can get even more out of your box than just the standard things that you get. But if you liked this video and you like FabFitFun too, make sure and go hit that subscribe button, like this video, and go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, bye.